A quick note. Welcome to A Quick Note, our channel dedicated to providing valuable insights. In this video, titled Introduction to Mutual Funds for Beginner Investors, a comprehensive guide, we will delve into the essential aspects of mutual funds to empower novice investors with comprehensive knowledge. Interested in investing but not sure where to start? Mutual funds can be an excellent option for beginner investors looking to grow their wealth. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the fascinating world of mutual funds, providing you with a solid foundation to make informed investment decisions. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. What are mutual funds? Before we jump into the details, let's begin by understanding what mutual funds actually are. Simply put, mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool money from multiple investors to create a diversified portfolio managed by professional fund managers. Section 2. How do mutual funds work? Now that we know what mutual funds are, let's explore how they work. When you invest in a mutual fund, your money is combined with investments from other individuals. This pooling enables you to access a well-diversified portfolio that wouldn't be feasible to build on your own. Mutual funds are divided into units, and each unit represents a proportionate share of the overall portfolio. The value of these units fluctuates based on the performance of the underlying investments, constantly reflecting the net asset value, NAV. Section 3. Benefits of investing in mutual funds. Now that you understand how mutual funds operate, let's explore the benefits they offer to investors. Benefit 1. Diversification. One of the key advantages of investing in mutual funds is diversification. By pooling your money with other investors, you gain exposure to a wide range of securities, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single stock or bond. Benefit 2. Professional management. Mutual funds are managed by experienced professionals who closely monitor the market and make investment decisions on behalf of investors. This professional management helps in optimizing returns and navigating market fluctuations. Benefit 3. Accessibility and affordability. Mutual funds provide easy accessibility to the average investor. You can begin investing with a relatively small amount, allowing you to start your investment journey without significant capital. Additionally, mutual funds offer the option of systematic investment plans, SIPs, enabling you to invest regularly with fixed amounts. Benefit 4. Transparency and regulation. Mutual funds are subject to strict regulatory oversight, ensuring transparency and accountability. Detailed information about the fund's holdings, performance, and fees are provided, enabling investors to make informed decisions. Section 4. Getting started with mutual funds. Ready to start your mutual fund investment journey? Here are a few steps to help you get started. 1. Set financial goals. Determine your financial goals and investment objectives. Are you investing for short-term goals or long-term wealth creation? Clarifying your goals will help you choose the right mutual fund options. 2. Research and select mutual funds. Conduct thorough research to identify mutual funds that align with your goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Consider factors such as historical performance, fund manager expertise, and expense ratios. 3. Open an account. Once you've selected suitable mutual funds, open an investment account with a trusted brokerage or asset management company. This account will serve as a platform to manage your investments. 4. Invest and monitor. Start investing in the selected mutual funds through lump sum investments or, preferably, through systematic investment plans, SIPs. Regularly monitor your investments, staying updated with market trends. Congratulations! You've reached the end of Introduction to Mutual Funds for Beginner Investors, a comprehensive guide in English. Armed with this knowledge, you are now equipped to embark on your mutual fund investment journey confidently. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, so be patient and seek advice when needed. Now, go ahead and take the first step on your path to financial growth. Best of luck. Outro. Thanks for watching. A quick note.